I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing what to print. Open the calendar app and display the month or week you need. This defines the layout. Once visible, take screenshots of each page you want. Hold top and volume up briefly. Make sure your iPad and AirPrint-compatible printer are on the same Wi-Fi network so printing is direct and fast. If you need multiple calendars, toggle them visible now and screenshot each combined view, so the printout shows exactly what you want. Once you have screenshots, open photos and select them in sequence. You'll want to crop out extra bezel and rotate any images that need it. Use markup to add notes or highlight dates before printing. After edits, tap Share and choose Print. On the printer options screen, pinch out on the preview to convert to a PDF if you prefer a single document. This makes layout consistent and lets you review pagination. Make sure page orientation matches month layout for clear results. Now print, tap Print, choose your AirPrint printer, set copies and page range, then tap Print again. You'll see the job in the print center briefly. If it doesn't appear, restart the printer and your iPad and confirm they are on the same network. Once done, check margins. If dates are cut off, recrop or change orientation and print again. If your printer isn't AirPrint capable, send the PDF to a computer or use the printer maker's app to complete the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.